Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, the best place for managers who want help navigating challenges in the workplace. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to me, I want to wish you a very warm welcome. I'm Jaboria Scott, a leadership coach and consultant. And in today's episode, I want to talk to you about what to do when things don't go as planned. I'm reviewing what first-time managers should know about how to recover from common manager mistakes. So, if you're interested in knowing 3 specific rookie mistakes to avoid to be successful at work, keep watching. The first rookie mistake to avoid as a new manager is forgetting to create a support system. The first idea of having a support system may bring to mind our family and our friends who provide us with emotional support, love, validation, security, and shared resources. While all of those things are important, it's also important to have a support system at work. Let's face it, work life can be challenging at times, and it's comforting to know that you have colleagues that you can rely on to give you good advice, people who you can vent to, and people who are invested in your success. Setting up a workplace support system contributes to your professional development, it broadens your network, and it expands your future career opportunities. Your workplace support system includes colleagues on many different levels of your company, or they may even work in your department. I'm really trying to keep this video short, so if you want a little more information about what are some of the must-have components of your support system, watch the other videos in my playlist or check out the other videos in this series where I go into more detail about the best people to have as a part of your workplace support system. Also, click the like button if you have a good support system or if you plan to create one for yourself. The second rookie mistake to avoid as a new manager is not getting feedback. An essential part of your management development is getting feedback on your job performance. If you want to be an exceptional manager, knowing how well you perform your duties matters to your career. A key role of a manager is to drive team performance so that the company is successful. So, the role that you play is to be the kind of manager that understands your strengths and identifies your opportunities for growth in ways that produce great results. So, seek guidance from your supervisor regularly through regular check-ins. The things you'll learn during those individual one-on-one sessions will help you to know how to provide support and to adjust your management style to meet team needs if it's necessary. It will also help you to build strong connections with your supervisor, who will review you as an engaged and proactive manager. The third rookie mistake to avoid as a new manager is not creating a professional growth plan. Creating a professional growth plan allows you to deliberately craft a successful career path for yourself. It ensures that you meet certain targets that you set for yourself that build over time and enhance your knowledge, skills, and abilities. Creating a professional growth plan is about intentionally creating a body of work that you can be proud of instead of randomly going from job to job. Start by making a plan that maps out what your goals are and the actions to get there. Next, make a list of your ideal job and your ideal work environment and ask these simple questions. What do I want my career path to look like? What does my dream job look like? What do I want to get good at and become known for? How do I want to live my life? When you know exactly what you want, you can take the small actions to create the career of your dreams, and that will look different for each of us. This is something that my ebook explores in detail. It provides you with the action steps that you can take if you expect more from your career and want to make a change. The link is below, so be sure to check it out. Like I said, creating a professional growth plan allows you to map out career goals for yourself and plan in order to work toward achieving your personal business goals and craft the career of your dreams. When you expect more from your chosen field of work, then your thoughts, words, planning, and action steps will align to lead you to your desired destination. If you need help with how to create a personal growth plan, click the link in the description box to get a copy of the guide that I created just for you. I'll leave the link in the description so you'll be sure to get it. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video and you're curious about the top 3 things to know as a first-time manager, subscribe and click the notification bell, because in my next video, I'm going to talk about some of the do's and don'ts to keep you out of trouble at work. As always, have a great week, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.